Hey kiddos, so this video is going to be over how to calculate area of a parallelogram using grids. Now this may look very familiar to some of you because we have done it before in class, but a lot of you are asking about how to make up some of your feeling grades during the 4th 6 weeks to the beginning of the 5th 6 weeks, and so when you complete the 4 questions on your own and you submit it on Canvas, I will be able to replace one of your lowest grades with your new one, okay? So let me go ahead and zoom in here. I will be doing the note-taking part of this video. Alrighty, so finding the area of a parallelogram using grids. You may encounter problems involving the area of parallelograms with grids and without unit measurements. So if you notice here, there are no numbers given for you. To solve these types of problems, you will need to know the number of grid units that make up the base and the height. Count along the base and the height of the parallelogram. The line must cross the entire square to count as 1 unit. To find the height, count the number of units from the base to the opposite side. So I need you to remember that area for parallelogram, the formula is area equals base times height. B stands for base, H stands for height. Now, base stands for the bottom number. A couple of us in here, when we were doing it in class, had a hard time calculating the number of units because it's not always complete. So I'm going to go ahead and use a highlighter for base. So base is going to be my pink one. So if you look here, I have from one end to the other end, so it has to be the whole thing, and you're only looking at the line. So this is 1, 2, and 3. So my base here is a total of 3 units. So I'm going to go ahead and label that 3. We're going to label it right here, 3 units. Then I'm going to go ahead and do my height. Remember, height is straight up and down. It's not going to be the slanted side. They're going to trick you. It's going to be the side that is straight up and down. From one base to the other base, that is your height. So height, I'm going to use the blue highlighter. And you can use either or, the one that's inside or the one that's outside of your parallelogram. I'm going to go ahead and use the one that's inside. So here they actually have a dashed line. So you're going from one end to the other, that's 1 unit, 2 units, 3 units, 4 units, 5 units, 6 units, and even from here to here, that's 7 units. So we have a 7-unit height. So we're going to label that 7. Okay, then you're going to figure out the area. Well, we know area is base times height, so we just have 3 times 7, and our area is 21 units squared. We're talking about squared because we're talking about a 2D figure. If you have any questions, reach out to me, but now on Canvas, you guys are going to be working on 1, 2, 3, 4 on your own, and please don't forget your units.